What's good, wonderful people? This is your boy Gonzalo Golden again, and you're welcome to this channel that is how to make money online. You know what's up. Okay, so on this particular episode, I have something really amazing. I mean, it's one of a kind, it's super, super, super easy, and it's super, super excited. Okay, so what am I talking about? It is something new, baby. It is something legit, something original, something you're gonna love it. And as you know, I give nothing but the best. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the like button. Give me some shout outs in the comment section, and we hop onto it. Okay, well, today we're going to talk about something new. It's called artsplit. Artsplit. Yes, it's called artsplit. And what is artsplit? Artsplit is a new company that just came out, I think in December. And what they do is that they auction arts like painting. That is not really the exciting part, but that is what they started with. Okay, they started with painting. And what they did was that the auction painting, before the auction, they put it on their website and you can bid. Okay, you can buy fragments of this particular artwork. And when they auction it for a very large price, then you make money out of the artwork. Okay, as the value of the artwork increases, then you also make good money out of it. But here's the exciting part now. Now you can make money with artsplit by simply investing in music. Yes. So this is the idea that they have. The idea is that they would listen to an artist's song, or you would have to send them their song. If they like it, they will put it on their platform. That's artsplit, and they would generate fund for you, they'll generate income for you for promotion. Okay. And once you start promoting your song and your song gets to do better in the music industry, the royalties and the rest, everything that comes with the music is shared, or the profit of the music is shared with your investors. And that is so cool. Okay. So it's simply to join. All you have to do is to you can go to their website, artsplit.com, and check out and read more for yourself. Let me go to the music split. Yes, okay. Now, invest in music. Okay, invest in music, buy fractions of songs that you enjoy and earn music streaming income. Okay, simply you invest in an artist song, and as the song goes viral and start making noise, then you are actually also earning. So it's just like you're listening to your favorite song and you're earning from that song. That sounds so cool. It sounds so cool. Yeah. So as a music split is redefining music ownership. On Asplit, investing in music is simple, safe, and secure. And royalties royalties are paid monthly into your AdSplit wallet. Get started on AdSplit app and build your music royalty portfolio. That's so simple, okay? Yes, so simple. And the Don Jazzy hopped on this. He did an advert for AdSplit, and it's already making noise. Okay, let me see if I can get that for you. Okay, it's here. So Don Jazzy gave ArtSpliff a shout out. Okay, he said, "My people, I have a new update for you in this 2023. Can't be an investor in music. You can be okay. You can be an investor in music like me with Music Spliff on ArtSpliff. Download the app by clicking on." He gave his profile link. Okay, and you may get a surprise from me. Okay, that's just it. And this tweet actually came in today. Don Jazzy is telling us to hop on artsplit and start making money from music, and that's great. That is great. Aside that, aside just making money from artsplit, you can also become an affiliate market, an affiliate to them. Okay, because John Jazzy he has an affiliate link that I think if you join and you start investing in their their artists, then you could be making money from artsplit as well. So imagine you putting your money on Arab Star, you know, just one song, Rush. You don't make up. You're making thousands of Ghana cities. Or you put your money on who again? Rima. Yeah. Baby, come down. They see your body, they put in my heart for lockdown. And you're gone. As he's making millions, you could be making a few thousands of dollars, And that's great news. That's great news. Let's try and listen to Don Jazzy. Okay. Yeah. I just hope you could hear it. Let me start it again. It's going. Okay, there you have it. There you have it. Artflip.com. Go on it, sign up, put in some few investments, and you'll be making money off your favorite artist. Okay, I have just tried to put my song on it. I sent them an email and they said they'll get back to me. Just hoping. Okay, it's here. Just hoping it goes through. I sent them an email and they say your ticket had been created with the ID, blah blah, and someone from our customer support team would review it and respond shortly. Okay, so well, I think you can also submit your songs and also invest. Okay, because it's a great way to make money. You can invest as low as a single dollar on this platform and start making real cash from there. So once again, my name is Conservative Forward. And again, if you like this content, kindly hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and let's link up. Peace out.